Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson, and I'm a certified life coach. This is my series, and we're on day 13, Everyday Mindfulness. And I'll tell you why mindfulness is the key to happiness. Anyway, this is my series, 21 Days to a Happier, More Attractive You. If you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button, but let's go ahead and get started. So this video is on everyday mindfulness. And why is mindfulness important? Because it's only in the present moment that we can have happiness. Only in the present moment can we have happiness. If we're thinking about the past, that's usually with regret. If we're thinking about the future, it's usually filled with fear. Now, I'm not saying you don't plan for the future, but we have to live in the present moment for true happiness and to be truly alive. But with all our multitasking, are we really in the present moment? How many times have you driven somewhere and you get there and you think, I don't remember how I even got here? Or you're eating dinner and all you can think about is dessert. Or you're at work and all you can think about is what you're going to do that evening. You're not giving it 100%. So there's a couple exercises I'm going to have you do to have you become aware of being in the present moment. One of them is one-pointed attention. When you're doing something, don't multitask. If you're talking to somebody on the phone, sit down and talk to them. Don't clean your house, go on your computer. Give them your full attention. If you're eating, turn off the TV, turn off the cell phones, and truly enjoy the meal. You'll eat less, you'll enjoy the food more, and it will taste a lot better. So do that. And I also suggest to eat in silence, complete silence. Maybe a lunch, if normally, I know I eat alone at lunch, so normally I'll read the paper or something. No, just concentrate on what you're eating. If you can't do a whole meal, then take an orange, a tangerine, peel it, and just look at it, the textures, the smell, the taste. When you do this, it'll probably be the best tangerine or orange you have ever had. Another way to do it is when you're washing dishes. Brother Lawrence, this was his big one. When you're washing dishes, again, no media, nothing. Just concentrate on each dish. How does the soap feel? How does it look? Be very mindful and present in washing the dishes. Don't think about the dessert you want after the dishes are washed. Just concentrate on washing the dishes, the textures, the colors. How do you feel? And when you do that, if you have that dessert, you're going to enjoy it even more. So start with just these small things like this because you will become aware. And from awareness comes change. Because like I said, there is only happiness in the present moment. So try and stay in the present moment. Notice those beautiful clouds. Notice the weather. Those, if you go for a walk, the textures in nature around you. Don't listen to music. Try not to talk. Just watch what is around you. The more you do this and the more you practice it, the easier it will become. Now, if you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you enjoy my videos, consider hitting that subscribe button. But I'll see you tomorrow.